guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's get right into these bundles. So I did hand make this wig. This is a frontal and 3 bundles of 24-inch. Now guys, I thought that this hair was gonna be like super thin, but it actually isn't. Like this is a lot of hair, so it is pretty thick. It is 24 inches. You know that if you do plan on getting longer lengths, like anything over like a 18, you do need to get probably 4+ bundles because you don't want your hair to look really skimpy. But this hair isn't skimpy at all. It's actually the perfect amount of density. Okay, so I have 3 24 inches and I have an ear-to-ear frontal. Now this is a transparent lace frontal. I guess this whole transparent lace movement is just the next big new thing, okay, because a lot of companies I see are hopping on board with this whole transparent lace thing. But in this case, I am loving this transparent lace. It actually blended with my skin a lot better than some other transparent lace I worked with not too long ago. I mean, this is like scalp honey. Like, I'm really feeling it. I didn't do a lot to this wig. I did bleach the knots. Okay, so I started off by bleaching my knots, and it already came with like some baby hairs kind of sectioned off. I love when companies have the baby hairs sectioned off because I don't have to worry about trying to make them. And all I did was thin out the baby hairs a little bit and just cut them to my desired length. And honey, that was it. I laid them with a little bit of mousse, and that was it. That was all she wrote. I didn't have to do a lot because most of the work was already done for me. So yes, as I was saying, I didn't have to do a lot because the hard work was already done for me. I just love that. Now, I have reviewed this company before in the past. Like, it's been a really long time. If you guys have watched my like fave videos, this company seems to always make it into my top favorites because the time that I did try them, the hair was immaculate. Like, it was perfect, it was great, and I was always like, man, I just love the hair. I would refer their company to a lot of people. Now the hair is pretty okay now. Like I said, I've taken it through a couple washes and it's pretty okay. Not too many complaints. Now I will say that these ends are looking a little funky to me. So let me kind of show y'all. That's, y'all can't really see. That's what the ends are looking like. Okay, so I don't really know what's going on with these ends. They looking real raggedy. Like, I don't really like that. So I don't know if I need to like deep condition the hair or what. Normally what I will do when ends look like this, sometimes I will cut them off, but for a regular consumer, I wouldn't suggest it just because you pay for length and there's no reason to just cut your length off. Okay, so I would suggest just deep conditioning, like conditioning the hair. You can get like a plastic bag or a bowl, whatever, with like some hot water and put some conditioner in there and let it soak. Okay, and then let it air dry. So I did let this wig air dry. I didn't blow dry it or anything, and I did flat iron it. So I'm not really sure why the ends are looking like that and why I'm getting like, I think it's quite a bit of frizz. Okay, so I don't really know, but I'm just gonna deep condition it and kind of see where that goes. But other than that, not a lot of tangling. Actually no tangling, no shedding, besides like, you know, just minimal shedding, you know what I'm saying, all hair sheds. So nothing, you know, to write home about or anything like that. But I still do like the hair and I still am enjoying it. It was just I just had a few little, you know, a few little cons, but other than that, the company is a really nice company, and they really do have good prices, and I would suggest you guys to check them out. I will leave all of the specs down below. Okay, if I can, I'm not making any promises, find my old Celie videos, I will put that down below also. If not, you guys can easily just type in my name and then type in the company and it'll bring that video up. Okay, you guys will see that video. I mean, their hair was absolutely beautiful. Okay, so anyways, any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below and I'll be sure to get back to y'all in my next video.